some good progress today, but I need to disconnect for work for a couple of days again. I'll see you on Friday. Hey everybody, I finally got 1 day free of work, and what does it mean? Time for more work! I'm developing in the big boy mode now. Hey everybody, it's August 31st, and it's my 25th day of working on the app. Why 25th only? Part because of this type of schedule that I had for the last 2 months and a half. So, where am I today? Well, right here. I decided to build the application and upload it on my phone, but it turned out much harder than I expected it to. This was kind of expected, but fortunately I have 3 days off ahead of me. This is what I'm gonna be doing. Day 27. I have 3 days left. By the end of next weekend, I'm finishing and launching the application on the AppStore. Keep in touch.